BJP President JP Nadda, who is on a 2-day visit to West Bengal, met the families of people who were killed and injured during violence on Monday. JP Nadda said that independent India never witnessed such post-poll violence.
The incidents which we saw after the results of West Bengal poll shock us and make us worried. I had heard of such incidents during India's partition. We had never seen such intolerance after the results of a poll in independent India. We are committed to fight this ideological battle and the activities of TMC, which is full of intolerance. We are ready to fight democratically.
JP Nadda was also welcomed by BJP West Bengal Chief Dilip Ghosh as they visited party workers' houses that were vandalized. Nadda said that violence in West Bengal speaks about Mamata Banerjee's belief in democracy.
Mamata ji, what your party did after winning speaks about your belief in democracy. TMC workers and leaders are saying that all these incidents on social media are fake. You've seen how Haran Adhikari's wife and son were crying. I request the media to tell truth to the nation.
TMC Chief and West Bengal Caretaker Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee held a meeting with Chief Secretary, Home Secretary, DGP and Kolkata Commissioner of Police regarding the post-poll violence in the state. West Bengal Governor Jagdeep Dhankar took to Twitter and said that Prime Minister Modi called and expressed his anguish over West Bengal violence.
PM called and expressed his serious anguish and concern at alarmingly worrisome law and order situation. I share grave concerns given that violence, vandalism, arson, loot and killings continue unabated. Concerned must act in overdrive to restore order.
Jagdeep Dhankar urged West Bengal Police and Commissioner of Police Kolkata to stop the violence immediately in the state. Congress MP Shashi Tharoor also took to Twitter and said that violence in West Bengal is very disturbing.
The reports of violence by TMC workers against members and supporters of losing parties in Bengal are disturbing. I am sure this cannot be condoned by Mamata Banerjee and count on her to take prompt and decisive action to stop this. The people's mandate shouldn't be undermined.
TMC came to power in West Bengal for the third consecutive term after it won 213 seats in recently held assembly elections. The BJP has said that 9 of its workers were killed in different parts of the state on Monday in post-poll violence. The BJP has said that it will hold a nationwide strike on the 5th of May when Mamata Banerjee is set to take oath as the Chief Minister of West Bengal for the third time.